Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix laptop keyboard keys not working. First method is keyboard diagnostic. Second method is update keyboard driver. Third method is update Windows. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.